I'm sure you've heard the news. Passive income is no longer a pipe dream, it's a reality with the OLSP system. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, and check your phone. Ka-ching! Another $270 hits your account. This isn't some late-night infomercial fantasy. It's the power of OLSP's Megalink. So what's the secret? Simplicity and automation. OLSP handles everything for you. Lead nurturing, sales, even the follow-ups, all on autopilot. No technical skills, no product creation, just one link, and you're off to the races. Think you need to be a marketing whiz? Think again. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, OLSP's training and community support are there for you every step of the way. Weekly live coaching calls, a vibrant forum, it's all about lifting you up. And those $270 paydays, they add up fast. More freedom, more time, more financial security. That's the OLSP promise. Ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind? It's time to make passive income work for you. Click the link below and start your journey to regular $270 paydays. The OLSP system, where simplicity meets success.